Hi everyone, I'm here just outside Bucket Tree Lodge. I'm here to harvest some of the leeks or the wild chives that are in abundance during spring in the Wellington region. So I'm gonna go to the creek or the stream where the longfin eels are, the famous longfin eels are. So it's called Willowbank. The place is actually Willowbank Reserve. Alright, so we're here. Alright, so there'll be a short walk to the creek. Yeah. You can hear the sound of the water flow. It's beautiful. We're heading to the place where the longfin eels congregate, or to their home basically. It's not where they congregate, but that's their home. So in Maori interior, it's tuna kufarufaru, the longfin eel. It says here the longfin eel has lived in New Zealand for 80 million years.
What the heck?
It is our top freshwater predator and probably the biggest eel in the world. Some females grow 2 meters in length and weigh up to 40 kilograms. The oldest eel found was 106 years old. Wow, they definitely got a much longer lifespan than the average human. Eels come out at night to feed on insects, snails, fish, coral and small birds. Eels need to eat and have a home the same as humans. If an eel gets stroppy around your legs, it probably means you are plodding around in its territory. Eels spend their lives in rivers, streams and lakes before swimming to the sea to breed. When they're finally ready to go, which might take 80 years, wow, their eyes grow to see through the deep dark sea water. They store fat, stop eating and then swim for 5 or 6 months to tropical Pacific waters. The adults die after breeding, but the young float on currents all the way back to New Zealand streams. The special place of the eel is maintained in Maori culture through the stories contained in tribal histories. Images of eels appear in carvings on meeting houses beside tribal ancestors, which is a mark of the importance to Maori. Our eels face polluted water, destruction of habitat, and being taken for food. You can help our eels by not catching them and not letting pollutants enter drains and waterways. If you see a big longfin, just watch it and marvel at what it represents. The fact that you have seen it means that it has not migrated to breed. If we keep taking big eels from our streams, we put at risk the survival of the whole species. They are intelligent, interesting and gentle animals and well worth protecting. It says here, catching is not permitted in any Wellington park or reserve, but someone's quite naughty and they try to scratch this and obscuring the word not. Yeah, that's what it looks like, but we'll see the live eels. But let's go. But our main purpose really is to harvest the wild leeks. Okay, that's what the wild leeks or the wild chives look like. Some call them chives, some call them wild leeks. Right? See? Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Oops. Oh, look at them. There's so many eels here. So many eels. Look. So many eels. Look at them. Look at the eels, darling. Look at the wild leeks here. The leeks, the wild chives or the leeks, they're called Allium Triquetrum in Latin. That's a botanical name. This is how you harvest the three-corner leeks or the wild chives, or the Latin name is Allium Triquetrum. Yeah, you can Wikipedia it. It's definitely used in culinary, especially in southern Mediterranean regions. But I was told that this can be eaten by a friend about a couple of years back. I didn't believe him at first until I had my first stir-fry meal last week. I had a small portion and I actually quite liked it. It's a very good alternative for the normal Chinese chives. And yeah, it's not as pungent. The smell is pungent, but once you cooked it, and the smell is actually less pungent than the normal Chinese chives. So I got home now. I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna eat all parts of the leeks. So apparently all parts of this Allium Triquetrum can be eaten. Yeah, just Wikipedia it out. Thank you. Yeah, after the washing, heated some oil and putting the whole bunch into the wok and stir fry them like this. I chop off the roots, just leaving the onion-like bulbs here. Left the flowers as well. If you guys want to check Wikipedia, as I said earlier, all parts of the plants edible. So yeah, I'll see. After maybe a couple of minutes, they're all wilted and they look like this. They look like stir-fried spring onions. So I'm gonna add some salt. Yeah, and continue to stir fry it maybe for a couple of minutes before, and let it cool down a bit before I serve it on a bit of rice. Well, you can put any seasoning that you wish, but I'm just gonna keep it simple, just to show you guys that well, I call it vegetable now. This vegetable is actually all around us, abundant in September and October in springtime, and the Wellington region, I believe, should be abundant in other regions in New Zealand, throughout New Zealand. This is what it looks like when served on a bit of rice. So really, why not try this? Save some money and don't spend money on either chives or spring onions in the supermarket or the ethnic supermarkets that we got here in Wellington. We can just harvest them for free, gratis, stir fry them, wash them and stir fry them, sorry, and then have them. Bon appetito.